Hello everyone, it's me Amul Sarma back again with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you build your own project. Okay, this is very beginner friendly project, image generator project. Okay, for this project, we are not going to use any kind of other fancy tools. Okay, we are just using two tools. Okay, two things only. We are using three things for sorry, two things, but that code and API key. Okay. I don't have mouse, so it is hard to make these things. Okay, first of all, what we will do, okay, just let me paste this thing just like this. Okay. Okay, first of all, what we will do, first of all, write HTML, CSS, and JS code. Okay. First of all, what we will do, we will write HTML, CSS, and JS code. Okay. HTML, CSS, and JS code we will write, and then after we will just create an API key. Okay. Okay, we will just create an API key. Okay, API key for this image, and then after we are just using an framework. Okay. Okay, where it is, we are using framework. Okay. Framework, I am using here Django, and okay, let me not use React, I will use only Django. Okay. If you want to if you want to learn Django and React, I will make a video on this. If you want to learn JavaScript, HTML, CSS, C language, C++, I will teach okay, I'm starting now web development video. Okay. That part. Okay, for web development, because web development is easy to learn and everything. Okay, first of all, what we are going to do that we are just writing HTML, CSS code, then after we will make an API key, and then after we will do in this in Django framework. Okay. First of all, I have already created an image folder. Let me go to my okay, I will just use documentation. Okay, for you it will be easy for you to do Django documentation. Okay. My best recommendation for you to that, when you are learning new thing, go through the documentation. Okay, no need to worry that you use documentation, people will laugh at you at first of all, but no need to worry, because you will get everything. Okay, first step, you need to, okay, first step is installation. Okay, we are doing from scratch. Okay, you need to do, it says you need to do all this. Okay. Then after you need to go part, and then after you need to check all this. Okay, first of all you need to copy this. Okay, Django admin start project, although I know, but I'm just telling you that first of all you copy, and then delete all this, right of the Django admin start project. Okay, whenever you are written this thing, although people just write my site, you cannot write such a specific some name. Okay, for example, I think for project, I think API key, Instagram, Facebook, that name which already register like make already built in project, like popular project. Okay, popular things, you I think that will not work. Okay, in this year. Okay, first of all I'll make an image. Okay. If I write enter this, it will just simply create a folder for me, and then after I'll do a cd and write that folder name. Okay, although I do not want to make that, I'll just simply go and do this here. Okay, it's already created as a folder. I want to create like an app. Okay. Okay, app name will be API. I will keep app name API, and I will just open in this my in this my what VS code. Okay, this is image is our project name, this app is our application name. Okay. First of all I will just simply go here and include that. Okay. include, then after I'll give an path name and I will give empty path include, and then after API dot URLs. Okay, don't worry what I will do. This is just an I'll doing setup. Okay, I am doing just setup, nothing more than that. Okay. If you while doing Django, I think if you don't have any Python fundamental knowledge, then it is very waste of time to start Django. Okay, so my recommendation for you that although it is hard, Python fundamentals like understanding everything, but you need to have very basic concept for this. Okay, it will be very hard for you to learn Django if you don't have Python fundamentals knowledge. Okay. Once there was my friend, like sorry, once there was my friends, okay, in college. Okay, like he was very over smart. Okay, he thinks that by learning 1 to 3 days he become a master at any programming language. Okay, he used to mock me at Python, although in my college nobody knew that I was work in a few three company as an intern. Okay. But that my friend don't know that he just mocking me with this something that you don't know anything, yeah I know anything. And then we started writing sorry, then we started writing a code. he he cannot even write a single line of code, okay, without the help of chat gpt. He asks for chat gpt write its codes, because how its confidence destroy him that he can even write in a single word by himself. Okay, he cannot write a single pro line of code by himself. If you don't know anything, just say I don't know anything, it won't be let you do. Okay, let me make from Django dot urls import, let me do path. Okay, just give an empty for here. Okay, foreign views, I'll just create index, and then after just return render. I'll just send an request and uh, index.html. Okay, then after let me create a folder. First of all, I can create inside, but I like to create outside. Okay. Okay, if you don't know anything, just you can say that people I don't know anything, rather than telling that I know everything. Just simply say I don't know anything. People if you know everything, people will start mocking you. Okay, they think that how you know that type. Welcome to my app. Okay, first of all let me check its work, or it is working or not. Okay, I'll just keep an empty path here from sorry, dot views import everything. I'll do by for like this framework Django, you need to have little bit knowledge and fundamental of Python, so it will be easy for you to index name index. Okay, I think I'll face error in this index. I think I'll face error. Okay, let me just quickly run this. Okay, I'll just quickly run this, and then after Okay, our application is working successfully. So I'll just write a HTML code as fast as possible, because while writing HTML code it will take might be on few some time, so you will be bored. I'll just write a code in fast way, so that you won't feel any kind of bore. Okay, first one person asked me on my Telegram that how can I can write like as a programmer. Okay, writing this thing. Okay, actually, when you watch programmer in YouTube, they will just simply like what they have already memorized thing, that they have already practices such thing. Okay, okay, let me just write this line of code. Okay, when you see a programmer, when they click typewriter files, they have yearly work experience. Okay, you are just a beginner, so you don't have that kind of experience to write such that fast. For example, you know ABCD. Okay, you can write ABCD as fast as then a nursery kid. Okay, such like that. For your, don't compare your chapter 1 with other people's chapter 10 final chapter. Okay, it is like that. Okay, I'm being I'm making a quote. Okay, mm, I'm using a form tag. Okay, I'll just write here although I am backend developer. Okay, but I have a few knowledge about front end. Okay, I don't know like that deep knowledge, such that someone with having knowledge like that, someone for example, then they have everything about knowledge about front end. Okay, how it's work, but I have the basic knowledge about front end. Okay, so don't don't hate me. Okay, searching. If you are studying backend, so I think many people don't will not know a main thing about front end. Okay, although they will just know all the basic stuff, how it's work, how to connect front end part with this thing, but they don't know how it's really how it's like animation, that all. And then front end person don't know how this will work. Okay, let me just go and refresh this all. Okay, our, yeah, searching image. Oh, search chong ching chang ching. Okay, our placeholder means you are writing that something text in your button. Okay, for example, enter your email just like that. By adding CSS, it will look prettier and cool. Okay, we have already written few code. Okay, so I'll just simply write a few code here, so it will not be take time while writing this code. Okay, I have written HTML code and make an folder static. Okay, what does this static do? For in Django framework, static simply just like in React you use such as you use public str proper str folder to keep your file like in a better way. Okay, just like that in Django there is an static folder where you can create or you can just put your CSS file and JS file and all the photo and all the just like that. In backend many things will store automatically in static file. Okay, we'll just do in other project. Okay, then after for we'll write this. Okay, we'll write HTML JS part. Okay, I like to love in JS part, but JS things sucks when they are in curly bracket. Okay, First of all, you need to go to your any browser and type up on splash.com. Okay, on on splash. Okay, on splash, what does it do? Okay, it will just give you an free images, all the I've just put that wallpaper from here only. Okay, you will just get free images, just log in there and get API. Okay, API of this, where your API. Okay, you can find API for this. Okay, just like doing this API. Then after you will get API after login in this. Okay, you will get its API. It is free, as of course you will get API. So this API might work in JavaScript. I think I don't really use Python really more, because in Python there are certain things that you need to put in mind. Okay, okay, I have already just know my API key, const. I still don't know how to write maximum code line in JavaScript. So don't worry, you need to paste your API key there. Okay, then after constant, okay, from something form, it was from el. Okay, okay, then after document, then after let me just write query selection. I think query selector it was. Query selector. Okay, query selector. Then after it will just write form. Okay, some people still confused in form and form, form and form and from. I still confused in this too. Okay, okay, I have already written HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. Okay, it will take 1 hour, 2 hour to write this, such as this line of code only. Okay, for HTML, JavaScript will not take that much time, but CSS it will take that much time. Okay, you need to just think like that and do. And then after, when you reload this, okay, it is, I let me just check or not working or not. I'll just write Python. Okay, an error, please try again. Search, an error occur while fetching image, please try again. What it will say? Okay, let me just an error occur while fetching. How it's happen? Let me just check. Okay, I think we are good to go. Okay, I already changed some few things. I've changed just few things here. Okay, I think it will now work in my point of view. I think, let me just reload this. Okay, okay, it is why it is not working. Why it is not working? Why? Why it is not working? Why? Let me just again check. Okay, everything is right here. Hey, sometime that API key will not work. For example, for this thing. Okay, I think in my laptop it is not working. Let me just check on my mobile phone. Okay,
Okay, I have found the issue that in my in my HTML code there are some API error. Okay, when I have uploaded this project on my GitHub channel, and then I have extracted from that HTML CSS compiler, so it is working on my mobile phone successfully. There was API error, so okay, you need to check the API. Okay, carefully. So if you don't check API carefully, it might uh, be not work in your project. Thank you so much, and love will just support me like that.